How to stop your child from getting bullied. Hello champions, I'm Dr. Meghna Dikshit, author of You Matter, and I'm so happy to welcome you to our channel. Here we explore the mind and brain, share the success secrets, heal past wounds, and prepare for a bright future. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And to all our returning viewers, a warm welcome. If you are ready to dive into the incredible world of brain potential, type dive in the chat box right now. The other day, a client contacted me. She was very worried about her teenager being bullied and felt helpless. She had spoken to the school principal, and while the bullying stopped for a few days, it soon resumed. She asked if I could speak to her child. This got me thinking about how bullying has been a part of human history for ages. Has your child or you have experienced bullying in your life? Type help in the chat box. Bullying is often rooted in insecurity. Kids who bully may feel good about themselves by overpowering others. They might also be dealing with their own traumas, such as physical abuse, and bullying gives them a sense of control. You heard it right. It gives them a sense of control, a sense of power. So let's dive deeper. And if you are ready to dive deeper, comment why in the chat box to understand more about bullying behavior patterns. So if you are a parent whose child is getting bullied, then take bullying seriously. When I was in 3rd grade and I got bullied, my father's advice to fight back made me feel more helpless. The first step is to take bullying seriously and understand the impact of your own environment. Have you taken bullying seriously? If you have taken it seriously, type seriously in the chat box. Setting boundaries in relationships in this case is extremely critical. Check your setting firm boundaries, especially with your spouse. Children learn interpersonal skills by observing their parents. Are you setting boundaries? If not, then there is a video that I've already posted about how to set boundaries. Please check on that. As a parent, you got to learn how to balance friendliness and authority. I've always been friendly with my son, but not his friend. I always tell all my parents that remember, your children will have many friends. So don't be their friend. Become a friendly parent. What does that mean? Becoming a friendly parent means you're able to assert boundaries, say no to them, but at the same time you're available to them emotionally and are listening to them. Do you balance friendliness and authority in your parenting? Then type balance in your chat box. Children are learning how to handle conflicts at home. So resolve conflicts calmly and respectfully. This teaches children important interpersonal skills. How to handle conflicts is a skill that needs to be learned. The next secret for the parents is to be aware of your social circles and social dynamics. So when my son went to university, we discussed bullying and racism. Awareness equips children to handle these issues better. So talk about it. Express yourself, share things about and read about bullying so that your child is aware that what sort of a bullying is there and how your child can be equipped to set the boundaries and stand up for themselves. What is right and what is wrong? I remember I once intervened when my staff at home was being abused by her husband. Teaching your child to stand up for what is right is crucial. So when my child is observing me for standing up for what is right and what is not right, my child is subtly learning to stand up for himself. So if you stand up for yourself, type stand up in the chat box. Now a very, very important sign that you need to understand if your child is getting bullied. That's a sign of distress. Look for signs like reluctance to go to school, physical marks on the body, or emotional withdrawal. If you notice any sign of behavioral change in your child, do not ignore. Seek professional help. It's always better to go to a professional trained psychologist whose expertise is in child psychology. If you want more help from me, there are 2 links in the chat box that will help you to discover yourself better, understand yourself better, and stand up for yourself better. Register for my live seminar to train your brain to achieve all your goals. And the second link is you can purchase my book, You Matter, through the link and start your personal growth journey with me. Until then, next time.